Hi Bronson, and here is the next Braille video for you. So, what I've done is, as well as posting you this video to your email, I have also posted you a link to this page. So, this page has some different Braille exercises that you can do, and it's based on the Braille alphabet. So I know that you can do it. And also, if you want to, you can have a look along here if you're really not sure of one of the Braille alphabet letters. See, they're on the same page? I'll show you the first example. So it's called Trivia Mania, which is just like a quiz. So it's a Braille quiz, which is quite cool. Hey, we might be able to do this with your class when we all go back to school. We could put this on the Mr. Kelleher's big TV. That'd be pretty cool, eh? So now we have to look at, I'm just going to enlarge it a bit. Now we just have to look at the Braille words. So we've got 3 dots here, which I know you know is an L. Then we've got dot 1 here, which is an A. We've got dot 1, 4, 5. What do you think it is, Bronson? Yep, D. Then we've got this one here, which you already know because it's in your name. Lady. Aha! Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Lady. B for Bronson, U, and G. Ladybug. Well done. Now what you do is you go down to the next one that says, Am I right? And click on it.
That's right.
Awesome. So did you hear the voice? The ladybug said, That's right. If you don't know what it is, you can also just click on what is the answer. And it will show you the correct answer is green. Remember to use the Braille for help. So if you really get stuck, you can push that. So this would be the next one here. So it says, here's a clue, an insect's blood can be this colour. So then you'd look at the Braille and decode it and type it in here. Then you check if you're right. And just remember, make sure that you can use the alphabet to help you. And also, this website can be enlarged and zoomed in. So I've got my touch screen and you can be using yours on your iPad. Okay, so see how far you get through that, and then give me a text on Nana's phone or send me an email and I'll get back to you and give you a call. Good job, Bronson. You're doing so awesome. Take care.